Ready to transform your chaotic code sprints into a symphony of seamless software delivery with Asana? First, let's create a new project in Asana. Name it after your software project like Project Phoenix Development. Choose the board layout for a Kanban-style workflow, perfect for visualizing your sprint tasks. Now, build your core workflow by adding sections like backlog for future tasks, in progress for what's being worked on, code review for completed code awaiting approval, and testing for tasks undergoing QA. Populate each section with tasks while you think implement user authentication, fix bug number 42, or design database schema within each task, assign it to a developer, set a due date to stay on schedule, and add a priority level to highlight critical items. Take it up a notch by adding custom fields. Track bug severity as low, medium, or high. Estimate story points for task complexity. And define a status field with options like to do, blocked, or completed for enhanced visibility. Boost collaboration by using the comments section within each task. Developers can ask questions, testers can report bugs, and project managers can provide updates, creating a centralized communication hub. Integrate your sprints by using Asana's calendar view. Drag and drop tasks to assign them to specific sprints and track progress over time. Finally, leverage Asana's reporting features to analyze sprint performance, identify bottlenecks, and continuously improve your software development workflow. Now you can confidently deliver high-quality software on time.